welcome to the channel, welcome to a new video. Today, and over the next coming few days, I'm going to be doing repairs on this. This is a Volvo, I think it's like a Volvo forwarder, or digger. It's a cover which has been hit by a log, and it's put a big crack down here, and the paint's coming off it. So, it's getting this crack repaired, painted, making it look lovely again. So, first off, I'm going to get this crack repaired, and this crack hopefully this crack will close up when I get this one brought back into place. Use hot staples and some 2-pack glue to hold it, to get this trimmed back in, and then I'll repair it and refinish it so you would never know it's been done. Stick it on a time lapse while I warm this up, press this back into its position, hot staple it from the inside, and then I V it out and repair it from the outside. So I can't use hot stapler, I don't know what it is, but it's not a plastic, it must be like a resin. When you try and staple it, it doesn't actually it doesn't actually go in, it just kind of burns. So I'm going to have to use 2-pack glue, there's some reinforcement, dig this out with the belt sign, that's why the compressor's running, V it out, and I'll make that up there, make it nice and strong. Sometimes these things change, you never change plans, you just got to go with it. Adapt, improvise and overcome. Crack is repaired, nice and strong. Machined off the loose parts, and I'm now going to repair this bit, make it nice and smooth, right shape. And I'll prime this whole bit, and then what I'll do is, once that's primed, I'll probably end up painting, we'll paint the whole thing. So repair's done. Inside I've tidied up a bit, not gone over the top. Don't want to waste customers' money and time by making the inside look perfect. I just want it to be respectable and look nice, so when you look in, it looks nice. On the outside, I'll show you that in a second. When I've turned it over, I am just about to put some primer on. Well, there's the repair done. So, time to get some primer on. If you're having a problem with the gun, it's the fluid tip, which is the bit the paint comes out of. Right in the middle there, there was a lump of crap in it, and it kept dripping paint out. Fixed it. Let's get some paint on, primer on this. That might get it running out. Let's see what happens. Let that go off, and I'll put another one on. 2 coats, usually about 15 minutes in between. Wash off time. Primer's gone off, I've cooked it off with a big lamp because it's cold. Now flatten it off, die coated it and flatten it. Hopefully get this painted today. So that's that flatted. And if you like this kind of stuff, repairing things, making things look nice again, mechanical, bodywork, working on machines, I've got some Scania parts to paint. Dad's bike, and of course my ERF. If you like all this kind of stuff, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button, like and subscribe buttons, and come along for the journeys, because we've got plenty to do on my old ERF. So, slight change of plans. Instead of painting the panel I've been working on, Dad is painting it today. I am fitting this bumper to that Isuzu. Yeah, he's just getting ready to paint it now. So I've got this to do, repair, I've got all the parts to pull off the bumper, that one, to go on this one, because this one's had a hell of a crack. These are the Scania parts that Dad painted yesterday while I was working on the panel. Off that R series I was telling you about. So yeah, making some good progress. And then hopefully next week or later on I might be getting into the wagon, getting a little bit working on that. I've also got another video coming, or another big job coming, which I'm going to be filming, which is doing a lot of repairs to an MX-5. Very nice MX-5 as well. Very nice. The panel is finished. It's all painted up, looking really shiny, repaired. Need big cracks in it. Hunky dory, man. I've put the electrics back in, which is all hunky dory and done. Told the customer it's ready to go. He'll be coming for tomorrow, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I can do more bits like this as well. I'm in the middle of working on this MX-5, which you'll see come to the channel soon. But yeah, if you like watching this kind of stuff, let us know in the comments below. I can bring you some more of it if I can. If you like that kind of stuff, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Join in for more. And of course, we've got plenty to come on my ERF sitting up there. Yeah, hope you enjoy the videos. Cheers, and ta-ra for now.